If my eyes stop the ground, we are keying to football. We don't have no procedural penalties. Okay, everybody watch the ball. To go. Fire off. Wind up. It needs to be faster than that. It needs to be faster than that. Go. Push. Come on, Mizell. You shouldn't have to wind up to push off the ball. Pressure on the front foot. Good. Go on that fourth line next.
Here we go. 3-step shadow. Oh, fuck. Can I get somebody over there that knows what the fucking 3-step shadow is? Switch. Here we go. Sit. Good. Sit. Make sure we get to our ending point. Nothing changes. Work it. Good. Sit. Fucking ball, Mike. Go fucking get him. Well, let's go, Mike. Come on, Mike. Sit.
Good.
You
know what I mean, Lotto?
Sit. Do it again, Deuce. Don't shoot, Mike. Not bad. Stay low on the snap. Don't have to reduck yourself, right? Activate your core so that you stay low. Okay, just like under the space mask. Sit.
You know, same thing, like he comes up the ball, then he's trying to get off, you know?
Move faster.
Bring it in.
Aiming point. Sit. Lay low. That's better, Lotto. Go.
And I need to hear this pad getting popped. Okay, your right foot's up, you're going left. Okay. Slide over. Where are your hands? Hey, when I line up, it's a whole process. I can't just be like, oh, here we go, let's rep. No, intentional about what I'm doing. Fighting easy because he's going to stay in front of me. Because the moment I stick and I have to get back to the other side, it's 2 steps, I'm out. It's not a bunch of foot firing at the line of scrimmage. Now, the most important part, we are still working vertically. I am not standing up.
It all matters right here.
Good, there we go. We're top up. Here we go. Right hand stance, punch your peak to the right. Back up to linebacker level. Linebackers, you're on me. Here, there. Here we go. Sit. Good. He's safe. Snap your eyes up. Find that guy.
Go, let me go.
Reestablish my pad level at the second level, right? Put that fucking right now, wherever the fuck that is, right on his fucking chin. Here we go. Sit. Go right here. Sit.
Back.
Good. There we go.
Get that thing vertical now. Get that second foot vertical.
Sit.
Back.
Good. There we go. Hey, move quickly, but don't hurry, right? Keep my feet tight as I'm moving up there. Sit. Good. Don't be on edges, KD. That group back up. That group back up. Don't be on edges, right? Okay? You don't have to stay square to the line of scrimmage. Stay square to him. Here we go. Sit. Good. There you go. Sit. Good. Don't float. Get vertical. Top up.
Yeah.
Left hand stance. Punch your peak to the left. Here. Here we go. Sit. Good. That's it.
Second level fit on this right here, man.
Am I still too high on that, coach? No, that was 4.
Again, JB, don't float.
No, it's just
Punch your peak, get vertical right now, right?
Second level, you know what I mean? Still running through that shit.
Get low.
That's it. Good. There you go. Come on, big strike. Come on, put your hand.
Come on, put him down. Good try.
Quick.
Push off.
Let's go, Chad.
I'm riding in the goods.
No, just go ahead and start right there. No, like pull it tight and then go. Well, you're gonna have to go like. 10 yards? Yeah. Like, when you get to that point, we're gonna be outside. Wow. I did his back. Yeah. The last time I left, but
Man, where would we be without you, Josh? Your head out of the mic. Your head. What are you doing? Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Yes, sir, Red! Yes, sir!
He's on the board. He said he's going to
Go! Let's go! Hurry up, man! Come on!
I'll try to you kind of lucked into that.
Back. Back to work, too. No air in the back. No air in the back. No air in the back. Go, sit down. Sit.
Spring game, I got a youth football team, I got Easter egg hunt, I got food trucks, I got that San Jose State, I got I'm going to show up. And so I run. Stop walking!
Stop walking! Go back! Hold on.
TV releasing the hounds and like Brent getting ran over by like the kids. They're like going after the Easter eggs.
There you go.
It was an easy decision for me.
Come on, get around, get ready!
I know my dad was wild world of sports. I ran for 30 years.
There you go. Hold on! You're going to the left. One more time. Ball in your right. You're going to get stripped and bumped.
So what's your title?
Go again.
So I just try to help.
It's so funny.
Go ahead.
You
know how business personnel.
See it as like I want Brent to focus on football. And I handle like
Come around. There you go. You can tie the chin now. Get the chin.
a lot of people management.
Go! Go! Run! Run! Put that foot in the ground. There you go. Go. Yep. That's some water.
Is that? Look at every place. It's not challenging like division.
You want the task force set?
Yeah, what's we're in such a better place. We're here. I'm training at Highland City. There. It feels like it's more of a hamstring.
Yeah.